I think what the most important thing to me is when we get dogs in that are so scared and are not adoptable at the time. I just love to take these dogs under my wing and bring them out of it. My name is Trudy, and I volunteer for the Humane Society for Hamilton County, and I am the dog program lead volunteer. In 2007, I was getting ready to retire from teaching, and I was talking to my stepmother, and I said, once I retire, I have to find something to do because I can't just sit around home. But I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And my stepmother looked at me and said, Trudy, as much as you like animals, why don't you volunteer at the Humane Society? And I was so shocked that I hadn't thought of it, but I had never been to our Humane Society. So it was because of my stepmother asking me that one question, and the rest is history. For one thing, I've made so many friends by doing this, not just the four-legged kind. I have some very dear friends that I would not have met if I hadn't done this, but most importantly is what I see from the dogs. Just seeing the greetings you get when you show up to take them out and spend time with them is worth it.
We nominated Trudy for this award because not only is she an incredible dog walker and has a huge heart for these animals, you know, she's here every day, rain, sleet, snow, sunshine, gorgeous weather, horrible weather, but she also truly embodies our mission and message of whatever it takes. She's been volunteering since 2007 and has had 21,000 service hours with us, which is just incredible. You know, without Trudy, where would we be? My name is Megan Davis, and I am the Director of Training and Communications here at the Humane Society for Hamilton County. So Trudy is a dog walker with us, coming in every day to walk all of our dogs, but she also plays a huge role in training. She's the lead volunteer of the dog program, which means she's training people coming into the building, or volunteers who want to walk dogs, who want to work in various areas, interacting with dogs. So she trains all of those people that are coming into the building, which, you know, go on to have the same heart and passion that she does. So she's not only educating them, but she's sharing a part of her love for this place, and you know, that's infectious and it travels throughout the building.
Obviously, when we moved to this beautiful facility, I have a little bit longer drive now, so I need my vehicle to be in tip-top shape because I'm driving here 6 days a week. But I've also transported a few dogs to rescues. I occasionally do a daycare transport, take the dogs to and from daycare, and just the drive here every day. The rewards that you get back from what you do are just wonderful. So organizations everywhere need volunteers and they need help. So people should look into doing it.